everywhere. Left, right, black, white. Everyone shouting, nobody listening. System overload. Every screen is screaming louder than before. Every headline trying to start another war. Pick a side, pick a fight, pick a flag to raise, but nobody remembers how the story even began. Divide the people, watch the anger grow. Push the buttons, let the algorithm flow, while we're busy proving who is right. The system seeding on the fight. Step back, breathe slow, look around, you already know. Stop feeding the system, stop feeding the flame. Every time we argue, we're playing their game. Stop feeding the system, stop feeding the fight. Spread a little love, turn the darkness to light. Stop feeding the system, let the anger go. Free your mind, let the human spirit grow. Red versus blue, left versus right. Endless war on the time at tonight. Every comment like a sparking gasoline. Burning bridges nobody has seen, but the power is in and the rage we bring. It's in the silence when the hate can't sting. When we stop reacting to the noise, we finally hear our inner voice. Slow down, reset. The truth isn't a weapon yet. Stop feeding the system, stop feeding the flame. Every time we argue, we're playing their game. Stop feeding the system, stop feeding the fear. When the noise disappears, the future gets clear. Close your eyes, breathe in. There is no left, there is no right. Only people learning to live in the same life. Stop feeding the system, stop feeding the rage. We're more than the battle, we're more than the stage. Stop feeding the system, let the love expand. The power was never in the system, it was always inside. Shine in the mind. In the stone and dust of ancient days, we lifted sticks to learn to rage. 1,000 years, 1,000 graves, but still the same old page. We built the towers, forged the steel. We taught the stars to hear our call. But deep inside the human field, the ancient shadows crawl. The heather built can break the sacred fire we hold can light or burn. But if the heart still plays the game, the world will never learn. Sharpen your mind like a sword tonight. Cut the chains that hold the fight. We are more than fear and rage, and more than stories of the cage. Lay the weapons from your hands. Hear the truth the silence sends. If the mothers say no more, there will be no war. begun. They say it's honor, say it's pride, they say it's duty to obey, but somewhere deep a quiet voice is begging us to stay. The kings may speak of flags and the land of glory written in the sand, but every war begins the same with someone else's hand. Sharpen your mind like a sword tonight. Cut the chains that hold the fight. We are more than fear and rage, more than prisoners of the age. Lay the weapons from your hands. Kill the truth, the soul is sense. If the mothers say no more, there will be no war. There will be no war. We learned to fly above the sky. We taught the thinking mind to machines, but still we bow to ancient cries of anger in between. The dark will whisper, take and rule. Follow profit, follow fear, but wisdom stands where courage grows and says,